Hi guys, it's me Marie. Today I am going to show you how I do my binding. Um, they, there are lots of ways, but this way is what I do most. So I'll show you. Here I have this, I started with the red thread just to so you can see it, and I'm sorry the sun is like all over here. Don't mind that. Okay, so here, see if I can get more zoomed in. Okay, so I have this the red thread just to show you so you can see it, and I have this white-ish, so just for you to see. I am going to tell you here a little bit about it because I don't know how it's going to show on the camera at the machine. So I'm going to show you here. When you start any quilt, you are not going to start at this. Let me go back. So you are not going to start your binding all the way here because that's going to be a problem to get all these ends together. So just go a little bit further, and of course this is just one block, so I'm just all the way over here. But just, you have to think like I need at least, I don't know, 4 inches space. Okay, and of course you have to have one tail here and one tail there. So this tail, when it comes over here, it is going to be sewn like about here, so you can, you know, put them together. Okay, so that's one thing. Well, then you start sewing, and when you have to stop at about 1 inch from the edge. Okay, so 1/4 inch. You stop, and I'll show you that way so I can get it off the machine. I'll just go back and I cut the thread, and then I'm going to show you. Then this is of course straight down. Then you are going to get it all the way back, and then it's going to be straight like that. Then the back, I'm gonna show you by the machine, so don't worry if you don't get it what I'm saying here. Then you fold it again, and then it's straight, and of course when you open it up, there is your miter corner. See? And of course this binding is 2 inches and a quarter. So it's pretty thin, but I mean, every time you're just sewing 1/4 inch, so I mean it's just enough for a small binding. But there you have the miter corner. See? Going to the machine now, and I hope that I can show you. I have an idea how to get my camera in there, so hopefully it's gonna be good. Where is my panel? Over here. Okay. So And when I think I'll just get a pin and I eyeball that 1/4 inch, and I just get this pin in here. Okay, so I know that I have to stop there and be careful because you don't want to get your needle in. Okay, when I'm almost there, I just go with, crank it with my hand. I think 2 more stitches. 1. Okay, 1. And 1 more is at the pin, but I know my machine, when I go reverse, it just takes another. So I'm going to, okay, so I can show you. Alright, so there we go. Let me get here. So there. Then you have your binding. You're going to go like this. That is like straight to the side. And here you have the miter. Okay, like that. Then you have to fold this back. There. Okay. You got that? Again. You win. And if it's difficult in the machine, just do the same thing. Go back, take it out, and do it like this. Pull it back, straight up. Here you have your angle. And then you go back down, like this. Okay, then you put it back in. And if you have these clips, I don't pin, I don't clip, I don't do anything. But if you have those, to make it easier, you can just do that. Okay. Out. Get this. Okay, so here, going to cut a little bit of this. That's the length that I want, so about here. Inside, inside. Double checking. So sometimes I go wrong, sometimes it goes in one. It doesn't matter. Life is not over. We can just go ahead and do it again. to get everything flat. Straight. So in there, it's nice and flat, and you can just go ahead and cut 1/4 inch. I need a camera person. Camera here between my legs is not really. Then open them up. And there you go. Put it back in the machine. Alright. And there you have it. Got all these threads. And you just have to go to the other side. Like that. And do it by hand. Try to get those points nice together. And you have I'm going to sew a little bit on this. So okay, I am going to do this one. Okay, like that. Where is my needle? So I start somewhat under and catch the edge. This way and this way. And that's how you do it. And sometimes it's nicer than other times, but give yourself a break and just practice. And I mean, I don't always get it right, and that's the fun of it, I think. So that's the way I do it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Love you guys. Bye bye.